Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel, which is one of the application in Microsoft Office. One of the application in Microsoft Office. This Microsoft Office is actually called as a package. Actually called as a package. Now, this Microsoft Office mainly contains four different applications, which is MS Access, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Word. These are the four main applications that we use in this Microsoft Office. There are many more in the Microsoft Office package. For suppose we can go with InfoPath Designer, Filler, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher. In this way we have many other applications also, but in MS Office package mainly we use MS Access, Excel, PowerPoint and Word. So today we will be learning about MS Excel. So what is MS Excel? How do we work with MS Excel? Today we will learn into it. So first of all, we have to know how to open this MS Excel. For that, as soon as you start your system, you will come across this Windows button. So as soon as you click that Start button, you will come across this option called All Programs. You will come across this option called All Programs. Now as soon as you click this All Programs, you will see the option called Microsoft Office. You will see the option called Microsoft Office. And as soon as you see this Microsoft Office, you will get a drop down list like this. And from that, you need to select MS Excel 2010. You need to select MS Excel 2010. Now, as soon as you finish all these steps, you will come across this particular window. You will come across this particular window, which is called as the home page of Excel. So here there are some options called blank workbook, recent templates, sample templates, my templates and new from existing. You have many more options in this. You have to choose your option according to your need. Mainly, when we are starting one particular task, we will go with the blank workbook. As soon as you click this blank workbook, it will ask whether to create. So you have to click on the create button. Now, as soon as you click the create button, this particular window will appear. This is called as MS Excel Workbook. This is called as MS Excel Workbook, where it has many sheets. Sheet 1, 2, 3 and you can add many more sheets also here. Basically, by default, we will be seen with 3 worksheets. Okay? By default, we will be seen with 3 worksheets. So this is called as the workbook, and this particular area, it is called as the work area and sheet area. Okay, one particular sheet. When you have to change for the other sheet, you have to go for the sheet 2 option. Next, sheet 3 option. In that way, if you click on that, you will go back to that particular sheets. So this is called as the sheet area or the work area. This is called as the quick access toolbar. Here you can have quick accessing toolbars which are called which can be like same, redo, undo options which we have seen in MS Word also. So this is the ribbon. As we have learnt in MS Word, the same way we have the ribbon here with the clipboard, font menu, alignment, number, styles, cells and editing. Here, till here it is same with the Word. Here you have styles, cells and editing will be the same with Word also. Here cells and styles are the additional in this ribbon. Now here you can see the A1 which is called as name box. This area it is called as the name box. Name box. What is the name box used for? It will give the name of the row and a column. Rows are, rows are given with the numbers and columns are given with the alphabets. Rows are mentioned with the numbers and columns are mentioned with the alphabets. So if you have the name box contains the active cell name. It contains the active cell name. See this particular area where it is been highlighted with this black color, as you move your cursor here and there, this will be coming to that particular cells and that particular cell will be highlighted and that particular cell's name will be displayed here in the name box. As this particular cell is active, so the name box contains this cell name as A1. If you put your cursor in this particular box which is B4, that will become the active cell and the B4 will be displayed here in the name box. Okay. Now this is called as the formula bar. This is called as the formula bar, which is used to give formulas. This MS Excel is mainly used for calculations. It is mainly used for calculations. So the formula bar is used to give the formulas. So rows are with the numbers and the columns are with the letters or the alphabets. So this is called as your MS Excel worksheet. Vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar, this is same as with your Word. Now, how do you edit your data type? How do you edit your data type? There are many types of data like general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific and text. Now, this general, it is used for, where it is used with no specific format. There is no format and generally if you want to give any data, for such type, this is used. Now, if you have to store your data in numbers or in any digits, you use this particular data type called number. If you have to express your data in the form of money, you use this currency. Here accountings, it is used for any decimal points or currency symbols or any accounting work, you go with this accounting data type. Now short format, short date. Short date, like the date which we write on the notebooks, like 12 1 2022 or 12/1/22. This is called as the short date. What is the long date? which day it is, whether it is Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or which day it is, comma, which month it is, like January, February, March, which month it is, and what is the date or in that month, and what is the year. This is called as the long date. What is the difference between short and long date? Short date is the date which we write in our notes, 12/1/22. Long date, like which day it is, like whether it is Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, and what is the month that is going on, whether it is January, February or March, what is the date of that particular month, and what is the year. This is called as the long date. Now time. Time, like when you have to give time in the data, then this particular data type is used. Percentile, percentages, it is used when you have to find out any percentages and you want this percentages to be displayed, then you go with this data type. Next, any fractions type data you want to display, like 1/2, 3/4, 7/8, such type of data if you want to display, you will go with this particular data type. Next, scientific data are not nothing but the power of. We use this power of 10^2, or any degrees or Fahrenheit we want to display. For any scientific data you want to enter into your sheet, then you go with this data type. Next is text. Text is nothing but, what normal text if you want to give along with the calculations or what. No, the calculations will not be included actually. Only the text that you want to enter, that will be included. For such things, we use this data type, text. So these are the different types of data. The same way it has been shown in a different way. Now, how do you save? The same way as we save with the all other Word, PowerPoint and all, the same way you need to give the file name here and say save. Now, this is how you work with your Excel sheet. That is all for today. We will see in the next class. Bye bye children.